Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a good old DIY, a good old do-it-yourself, good old do it at home. You know why? Because we're all stuck at home. And you know what that means? We can't go to nail salons. So I attempted to do my own nails at home. And I think they turned out pretty well. I basically just went to the drugstore and bought a bunch of nail kit stuff and attempted to do my own nails at home for the first time because I've never done them, so I tried it out. And I don't know why I was speaking like it was a tutorial for the entirety of this video, but I mean, if you want to follow along, go ahead, because I'm not gonna lie, I think I did a pretty damn good job. Watch all of you be like, these look like shit. Okay, I'm sorry. Follow along if you want or not. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. Let's continue watching, shall we? Okay, so I have all my supplies right here. I just picked everything up from Walgreens yesterday. So I have a cuticle remover, my nail polishes, 100% acetone, a nail buffer, cuticle cream, file, clipper, and then these are the nails I'm going to be using. These weren't the nails that I actually wanted. I did want ones that were just the tip and you just glue it onto the tip, but I think these might do. I don't know. I've never done my nails at home. I can barely just paint my nails because I never have the patience for it, so we'll see how this goes. First, I need to remove the cuticle, so let's go ahead and open this. So basically first you just put this cuticle cream on the cuticles of your nails, leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to be using this to pretty much like get rid of the dead skin and everything. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I have the cream massaged in and I'm just gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, so I'll be back then. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 5 minutes since I applied the cream and I changed the camera angle so you could just see what I'm doing better. Although I don't know how much of a tutorial this is going to be because I'm doing this for the first time, but I'm basically just going to take the rounded side of this cuticle stick and gently like push back the cuticle. Okay, the cuticles are pushed back. Now I'm just going to go into acetone and fully clean my nail just to make sure that there's no residue so we can stick on the fake nail. Then taking a nail buffer, I'm just going to go ahead and buff out the nail a little bit. Okay, nails are buffed, and it is probably better with just what I see on like how other people do their nails. It's probably better to cut your nail, but for some reason I like don't really want to do it, so I'm gonna try to do it with just keeping my nail length. Spoiler alert, it's better to cut your nail is what I'm learning, because when you have nails that kind of curve like me, not so helpful at all. I would cut my nail. Now I'm just gonna open this. I got this everything from Walgreens, by the way. And these are just like the glue-on like nails, and you have to find your size of each nail and everything. And then it comes with the glue as well. I did want the ones that were just the tips, but they were out of stock. So now I need to find the size that fits me. Oh yeah, buddy! Clearly dropping it myself, but also blaming it on my cat. Okay, I have all my nails right here, and these are the ones that are supposed to go on your full nail, I believe, although I do want to try to just put it kind of like halfway to kind of make the length so I can then like file it down more. Okay, and from what I've seen, you really don't need much glue. Oh my god, I put it on. Oh man, okay, just kidding. I glued it on the wrong side. I glued it where the tip is supposed to go. First nail is on. That looks so bad. I already could tell this is gonna go so badly. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's glue all over my fingers. Okay, we're down to our pinky nail. This looks so bad. I hope I can turn this around and make it not look bad because I miss having cute nails. Oh no. Okay, I got them. These look so bad. Who can say where the road goes? Okay, great. Now that I have all of my nails on, I'm gonna need to trim and file them. Okay, it looks like shit, but you basically just cut each side, then twist it off. This is gonna end up so bad. Like, I love how I just already know it's not gonna end well, but like, I'm still here for the process. It didn't end that bad. I'm just saying, Allie needs to stop being so hard on herself. I mean, I can't turn back now. I glued fake nails onto my nails. They're gonna look awful if I take it off. Okay, then I'm just measuring it out so I don't cut it wrong length. Now that they're cut and trimmed, I'm just going to file them. So first I want to file like the side so it like slims out, and I do want to make a coffin shape, I think. I'm just gonna go ahead and file all of them down. I believe this will take a while, so I'm probably gonna kind of cut to the end result. I really have no technique for this. I'm just filing it down to a shape, so I'll be back. Okay guys, it's been about, I want to say like 10 minutes and I'm not done yet. I got this hand almost done, but yeah, I still have a long way to go. It's taking some time. It takes a while to file your nails down and you want to make sure that you get everything perfectly, but basically I'm also just taking this like brush and I'm brushing it off. I also forgot a towel, so now all the nail stuff is like everywhere, which is so nasty. Hi guys, so it's been about an hour. I let my camera battery charge and I just kept filing my nails down, so this is kind of how they look right now. They're definitely not gonna look like completely professional, but I think I got them as even as I could. Okay, so after filing them, I'm gonna take the nail file and I'm just gonna kind of file the area where I tape the nail on, to kind of just like smooth it out and make sure there's not really like a lifted area between my real nail and the fake nail, if that makes sense. So when I paint it on, it's not gonna be a bump. Okay, so now that I filed down the fake nail, I'm just gonna take the nail buffer and go to the smoothing side. I'm just going to smooth out the whole surface of my nail. Okay, that's all done. They're gonna be a lot smoother now, and then I'm just gonna go wash my hands. Okay, I washed my hands with warm water. The nail is pretty smooth, and now I'm going to paint my nails. I have these Essie's polish right here, and they're not gel or anything. I'm just gonna use like regular nail polish, but I don't know which one I want to use. What are we thinking? This like iridescent pink or this like just typical baby pink? Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the baby pink. So let's go ahead and paint my nails now. That was great. That was so great. I love that. We're off to a great start. Okay, take two. First coat on. Second coat on. Okay, so the third coat is on, and I believe I'm not putting another coat on here. You can't see where the fake nail and real nail meet. And yeah, I think they look pretty good, so I'm gonna wait for these to dry and then I'm gonna apply top coat. Okay, I've waited some time and now I'm gonna apply my top coat. I'm using Essie Gel Setter. So this top coat is supposed to give you the effect of a gel manicure without having to cure it under a lamp. Okay guys, I'm back. I put the second layer of top coat on and now I'm ready to paint the second nail. I am left-handed, fun fact, so this hand, my right hand, was very easy to paint. Now comes the difficult part where I use my right hand to paint my left hand. Let's hope this goes well. I have put 3 hours into these nails, so I don't want to stop, or I don't want to screw up now. Okay, so I have the finished product right here. I'm just gonna put on this lotion to moisturize my hands. I really do miss going to the salon though, and when like the people who did your nails like massaged your hands after, and then like with the warm towel, oh my god. I miss that feeling, and the lotion that they use, I don't know what it is, but it smells so good. It makes your hands so soft. I would love to know what they use actually, but yeah, I'm all done. I'm actually very happy with them, considering like this is my first time trying to apply any type of like fake nail, especially like this. The only type of like nails I've ever done at like just by myself was just painting them, so I think I did pretty well. It's obviously not like very professional looking, but I think regarding like matching the length and the shape as much as I could, I think I did okay. This was a success. I got everything at Walgreens. I'll also link everything or list everything down below if you wanted to follow this. I hope I like explained well what I did. It was honestly just a bunch of filing. But anyway, enough rambling. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.